Alright, so finally, after much delay, anticipation, they're finally here, Apple's newest addition to their ecosystem, the Apple Airtag. And so essentially, these are a tracking device for your missing or misplaced items, and yes, we have seen this before with companies like Tile. I know Samsung just released theirs, but Apple really is just expanding on their ecosystem here. And so getting to the unboxing, what we get here is Apple's routine packaging. Really simple. Once inside, we can have the AirTag itself wrapped in some plastic. Just pop the AirTag out of there, remove the plastic, wait for the chime, and it's on. And this is where, of course, Apple just does its thing. This whole seamless pairing is definitely an experience. Now, you want to set the tag close to your device that is on the latest 14.5 firmware. Once you go ahead and get the notification, just go ahead and hit connect. Now you will be prompted with the ability to custom name it or just choose from the default options. I'm personally gonna go ahead and go with the default key name, as this one is just going on my keychain, and that's it. Now, just from the initial unboxing and just from holding it, not the thinnest thing in the world, definitely has a bit of girth to it, but that of course houses the CR2032 interchangeable battery, and I suppose that should last about a year or so. At least that's what Apple claims. And there is that typical Apple-esque design, premium materials, premium build, but with some drawbacks. First off, this thing is a fingerprint magnet. Luckily, it seems third-party vendors are already working on skins and unique cases for these, so we'll definitely be seeing some cheaper alternatives to Apple's $30 keychains and loops. So yeah, you do need to buy a separate accessory if you don't want to throw these into your purse, or if you want to tag it onto your keychain. So besides the $29 price tag, expect to drop a little more for one of these. Now, personally, I went ahead and picked up Apple's product red leather keyring, and the color looks awesome. Love the pop color. Did run me about $35, but like I mentioned, there is some cheaper alternatives currently, or I'm sure already out there. I mean, looking at the upside, you can give the AirTag a personalized look and add a bit of protection at the same time. Now, there is a benefit of having to buy the additional accessories, but not really. I mean, having to drop a bit of extra cash, whether it's $10, $15, $30 on top of already $29, I think is a little too much. But trying these out for the first time, they work surprisingly well. The speakers housed on here are quite loud, so I'm sure trying to locate these in crowded or loud areas shouldn't be too hard. Now, these are IP67 rated, so water plus AirTag don't necessarily mean you're SOL, which I can see being a huge relief. On top of that, privacy is also a huge factor here, and Apple seems to have that covered. But overall, I think I'll have to keep trying these out and see how well they perform and do over time and in day-to-day use. So stay tuned for a full review or a follow-up video. In the meantime, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that like button as well as subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.